Hello and welcome back. In the last video, we added this get top rated gigs by category, and we were not able to test it. So now we will just update some documents and then test it out. But before we do that, in the source query, there is one mistake. Here we use the shebang symbol and then one equal sign, but here I use 3. So here it's supposed to be just 2. Okay, so make sure you change it, because if you use it with 3, your query will not work and you might be wondering why it's not working. Okay, so change this to 2 equal symbols. Okay, now let's just go and update. To update a document is simple. Okay, so you just get the documents. Let's because I updated about 2 other documents. Okay, so let's see all our documents right here, and then let's update this particular document with ID CC33. You can see the rating sum is 0, the ratings count is 0. Okay, so let's update this document, and to update here we can use the post, then the index, the underscore, update, and then add the ID. Now inside this curly braces, I add the document property, which is an object, and the specific fields that I want to update. If you don't add this document, it will assume that you want to replace the complete source. It will assume you want to replace the content of the complete source with a new document. So make sure you always have these docs and then these curly braces and then the fields you want to update. Okay, so let's try to update this. I'll say 15 and 3. So if we divide this, it gives us 5. So if I update this, okay, it says successfully updated, and let me search all the results. Okay, probably we can get the specific one. Okay, so this is the object, and here you can see the ratings count, okay, is 3 and the rating sum is 15, as you can see right here. Now let us try to execute the query we had before. Okay, so here we are saying if rating value is not equal to 0 and rating sum dot value is not equal to 0, and the rating sum dot value divided by ratings count dot value is equal with double equal symbol to the threshold, that is if the division is equal to 5, then we should return the document. So here the categories is writing and translate. We can use it here. Okay, and then I'll click, and it returned 1 document. Okay, because it returned how many? It returned 3. Okay, it returned 3 documents right here, and we can see writing translation, the categories, writing translation as well. Now if I change the threshold to 4, let's say let me change this to 4, click, it should be 0. Okay, because we don't have any document with let me see if I can add one with a different rating, maybe with the 4. Okay, let me add this data, or let me use this here, and then this will be 6, let's say 16. That is the rating sum, and the count is 4. Okay, for these documents. And then let's get the category for that particular document. The category is data as well. Okay, so let's try this. Okay, so for this document, you can see that the rating matched this query, this threshold, because 16 divided by 4 is 4 and the threshold is 4. Okay, so you can see it matched the query. Now if I try 3.5, it's not going to work. Okay, if I try 4.5, it's not going to work as well. Okay, so here I will just, if I set this to 5, and then this will return some documents. It returned 2 documents because they both have the rating sum divided by the ratings count to be 5, and it matched the threshold. Okay, so this is how we're going to get our top rated gigs by categories. Okay, so based on the category and whatever we pass right here, we are going to get the top gigs for that particular category. Okay, so that is the gigs that have all 5-star ratings.